Okay, I got that faceplate off. As you can see, there's some ice buildup over here. There's a little ice on this here, so I gotta melt this. And you can actually see the ice build up inside here on the coils. Alright, so let me put this on pause, take this off, and I'm sure this is a thermostat issue, because that's what fixed it last time. But I'll be back. So let me get this out of this is styrofoam, so this is not moving, it's frozen. I can feel the ice in the back of this thing already. Alright, hold on. And you can see that the vents here, the ice is coming out through here. So the defroster, the heating element, it's not lighting up. Alright, so let's see what this thing's all about. Alright, so I managed to loosen this up. I put this in here to keep the hot air from going down into the refrigerator. So let's move this out of the way. And we can see that when the heating element works, it leaves a burn mark here, okay? So that's not what's happening now. As you can see, the ice over here is building up. And this is where the heating element runs across through here, controlled by the thermostat. All right, so let's take off this part here, and I'll show you the freezing coils are totally frozen. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, just as I suspected, the thermostat is not working again. It's behind here. I'm going to defrost this thing immediately. All right, this particular refrigerator is told to me by GE takes two, I've never seen it, two thermostats. All right, so let me get busy with that and melt this ice, because I can't afford to have my food ruined. And we're going to be using this to get rid of this. And this is what I had to do during COVID. Once a month I had to do this, and then I finally got the guy over here who thermostat is over here, by the way. There it is, right there. Hold on a second. It should not be like this. Hold on a second. Stop this. Alright, let's take a look at this here. Alright, this is what he replaced. And somehow, it either, I can't see if it's, let's see. Yeah, I'm sure getting this replaced will actually fix this issue. I can't get the make and model number for that I had. I'm so annoyed with this damn fridge. I can't see. Alright, fine, whatever. I'll be right back. Okay, now this is what it should look like when this defroster is working. And let me straighten out this camera. Hold on a second. Why is it not focused? There we go. Alright. Underneath here is a glass filament that heats up. Alright, I mean red hot. About maybe 3 or 4 times a day to keep this from freezing up, as you saw earlier in the video. And that's the job of this bad boy here. And when the refrigerator guy came here, he says it wasn't the logic board. He didn't think it was. He was, troubleshooting it. He changed this and it started working again. And then I think it was like late at night or something after he left, I heard like cracking sounds. And I come to the fridge. I took everything out. I looked through the vents and I saw this bright yellow light. I didn't think much about it. I took this off and it was bright yellow. I mean, like an idiot, I touched it and burnt myself. So down here, I can't show it to you because it's, I'll try. Let's see if we put some light on this thing. Okay, let's try now. This phone's not focusing properly. I'm trying to get a picture of that tube. there's a thermostat that controls. See that little white thing right there? All right, under there. Yeah, it moves it the whole. Hold on a second. Let's try it this way. Focus. There we go. You can see the tube behind them. Well, trust me, the fridge guy knows what I'm talking about. I can also link my video to focus, please. Focus. Focus, 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 focus. Thank you, phone. This phone is bad. Focus. There you go. And you can see all that the ice that I pulled out of here. This should never cake up like you saw earlier in the video. Alright. I'm going to try to get the make and model number. I got in contact with GE. I'm going to double check the thermostat. They're basically generic and they're used by most refrigerators. Alright, and GE refrigerators are a lot easier to fix. Alright, I can feel the element here. Let me try again to get a better picture of it. Maybe this way. I see it. Can you see it? It's a piece of glass under there. That's it right there. I know it's bad. Let's see. There it is. Alright, so that turns on 3 or 4 times a day and keeps this thing from frosting up. Alright, so let me seal this back up and turn the fridge back on. And hopefully I can get somebody here back. Oh, it takes about a month for it to freeze up totally solid like this. But when this is working, I'm going to get a magnifying glass to see what make and model number is. I'll be right back. I can't pause the video. Oh, for God's sake, Samsung. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Hold on a second. Alright, this is it here. Say T0D 37. Alright. This here is not the original thermostat. When Yuri, the refrigerator guy, came and put this in, the fridge started working again. I don't see any imperfections here. So I think it burnt out. These things do happen. Alright, so we see that it's T0D37T01 AM 611491. And we got L60-20F. I think that's Fahrenheit. I'm not sure. I'll check it out later. It's amazing what you can find up on the internet. I got a minute left on this video. J2049. So let's start with replacing this. Alright. This only costs like $15. Alright, so I'm going to close this up, put that back up on there, turn the fridge on, and hopefully we can get this resolved, as soon as possible. Alright, thanks for watching. Adios, bye. Alright, all done. Last thing to do is to put this thing in here. Let's put this here. That goes there. There we go. That goes back over here.